Hey, what's going on, guys? Quick review on this steamer here. I've used a bunch of them over the last few months, but this is the only one that I've used that wasn't a handheld one. So this is a full-size, powerful steamer. The big difference with these ones, of course, is the water size, but they're much better for big jobs. So the handheld ones are good for, just kind of spot cleaning. This one, I'm able to fill it up and clean like the whole bathroom or all the floor in the house. It just holds a ton more water, so you can clean a lot of the bigger jobs that you have to work through. So I use this to work on cleaning out like my sliding door down in the tracks. I wasn't able to clean it out with the rags or anything. And this has so much steam that kicks out of it. I was able to clean down in there really good and get in all the grooves and crevices and just blast out all of the dirt. I also had a chance to use it and try to clean out my bathtub. So you can see I scrubbed that really good and it did a good job at cleaning that without chemicals. Of course, just kind of mopping my floor. So it has just a ton of different attachments. I don't remember exactly. It was like 20 different things that you can use, but I didn't have a chance to make it through all of them. Just a wide variety of things. I love all the pieces that it comes with. It allows you to extend the handle out because you're able to easily mop the whole floor without like having to bend over and crouch and stuff. So it has a pretty good ergonomic bend and flow to it. And then it has plenty of smaller attachments for like crevice tools and scrub brushes. It did have one that has, as the steam pushes out, the pressure makes it spin. It looks really cool. I'm actually in my tub to scrub it out. And I think when you put pressure on it, it kind of stops it from spinning. So I'm not sure the effectiveness of it, but it looks cool to just mess with. Anyway, so it is a good steamer. And I would say that anybody that needs steamer for bigger areas, that definitely go with something like this over the handheld ones. That's definitely the major advantage of it. I'd say the only con is that it's a little bit bigger, so it's harder to store. But again, if you have bigger jobs, totally worth it. And then it's cool that it does also come with the storage bag, so just about all the pieces can fit in it, so it's not too inconvenient. So that's it, guys. I think it is a cool steamer and does a really good job and just has a ton of power.